How to set up your electronic eIPCRF. First, we are going to download the file from the link that has been given to us. After downloading the file, for sure you're going to open it to try if you can fill it up. Unfortunately, you just can't open it. After you click Got it, you found out that the file is not supported, even if you click Enable Editing. It has been blocked because it is untrusted. So you ask, what are you going to do with this? Follow these simple steps so you can proceed. First, you have to close the file. Right-click the file and click Properties. Tick Unblock near the bottom. Click Apply to. Click OK. Now open the file again. Click Enable Content. Then click OK and you're good to go. The file is now supported, so it means that you can start filling up. Hope it helps. Goodbye!